Hi guys, it's Miss Jackson. I just wanted to create a quick video for this particular quiz in case you ran into difficulty understanding what was expected of you. For this quiz, you're going to be writing isotope symbols, so you will need a piece of paper and something to write with, or you can do this on your Chromebook Sketch, I think, if you've got that capability. But what you're going to be doing is you're going to be filling in a nuclear symbol, and each one of the blanks that you have is going to correspond to a section of the symbol. So when I look at this particular problem, so this is a test question or a sample test question, I look at the information that it tells me, and the one thing that I know that I can start with is it tells me that the atomic number is 7. So that tells me which of my atoms I am working with. So when I go and I look it up on the periodic table, I find that element number 7 is nitrogen. So I'm going to write the symbol for nitrogen, which is a capital N. I know that my atomic number goes to the bottom left, and it tells me that my mass number is 15, and I know that my mass number goes on the top left. Okay. When I look at my symbol then, okay, I've got nitrogen, 7 protons. That's the same as the atomic number. I know that I have 10 electrons, and I'm going to need that information in a minute. And I have a mass number of 15. So to find my neutrons, I take my mass number minus the 7. So 15 minus 7, and that tells me I have 8 neutrons. Okay. Now I need to do something with my protons and electrons to finish my symbol. I have to have this symbol finished before I can answer these blanks. So I have 7 protons, so that's a positive 7. And I have gained 3 electrons, so I have 10 electrons. So I have a negative 10. So a positive 7 and a plus a negative 10 or minus 10 is a negative 3 charge. So up in the top right, I write negative 3. This is all the same practice that we did early on in our semester. So I have 7 protons, I have 10 electrons, and I have 8 neutrons. So when I go to fill in my blanks, the blanks that you fill in, the top left is going to be the first blank. So for my first answer, I'm going to put in this is blank number 1, because that is the top left. Blank number 2 is the bottom left, so that's going to be this number. So that's blank number 2. Okay, the next blank, so the third blank is my symbol. That's going to be the N, the capital N for nitrogen. And then the fourth one is going to be my charge. So that's going to be this piece right here. So this is going to be blank number 4. Okay, and I should have 2 more blanks to fill in. This is going to be blank number 5. And this is going to be blank number 6. And so I simply have to look at the information. So you're just practicing the same thing that we've been doing, but it was a little bit, just to put it in the format, we had to kind of get creative with how we had you fill those in. So blank number 1 is the mass number. Blank number 2 of this one is the atomic number. Blank number 3 is the symbol for the element, which in this case is the capital N. The charge, you can either put negative 3 or 3 minus. It should take either one of them. That's the fourth blank. Blank number 5 is how many neutrons there are. And blank number 6 is how many protons there are. And that was 7. So I hope this helps. But please don't hesitate to reach out if you've got questions or if you have something specific that you need help with. Thanks. Bye.